What the crap did you do?
Look how much stuff we have.
Oh, I can't.
Jeez, you just like fucking twitched.
I need to finish that wall.
What the hell is that sound? That sounds
Pays my arse. Build it now.
Thank God. No, repair that building.
What building? Right here?
Destroy all those cars. We don't need them. It's unfair.
Alright, hold on, wait. Oh, look. Oh, look. Ah. Alright. Wait, what the crap? Where'd they get all the rocks from? They're trying to get it from me, aren't they? Oh. Yeah, I said, just build a freaking military.
Repair the building.
I will repair the building.
And I think you can upgrade to the Imperial Age now. Go up higher. Wait, what do you need?
800 gold, 2 Castle Age buildings.
What are Castle Age?
I'm building one right now.
No, I think that's like a university.
Yes.
Here. Let me play for a second.
Hold on. How the... Not gonna ask. Not even going to ask. Alright. Are you guys gonna repair this or not? I'm just gonna let it... It's not gonna crap out of you guys. How about I just go send home? Alright, they're ready to attack.
We should like flank them.
Oh.
Alright, you know, I really gotta make some more villagers. Hold on.
Alright, let me play.
Hold on. Wait, just a second here. Build a building. Where's the mining camp? Where's the mining camp? Right there.
Работе.
Yeah, Rob Boyko, whatever. Alright.
My God.
Nice! Nice! Hold on, let's give him a leader. Alright, be the leader, bud.
Just, you have to move them. It'll change, don't worry. Don't worry about it.
Fine, let's go destroy it. Alright, nice. Just destroy their dang mining camps right now.
Beat fear.
Alright,
Build like a university. Build a castle.
Castle? Hold on.
Kia.
No, build a castle with them.
Oh, with them? Alright. No, with these guys.
It's next. Over. Build it where they can attack enemies.
The castle can attack?
Yeah. Put it in front of the...
In front?
Yeah, right there.
Why?
Just do it.
You sure?
Yes.
Can I put it like right here?
I don't care.
It's
fine.
It's not gonna accomplish anything. Who the hell are these guys? Oh man. Oh, they're idiots. I'm gonna go send these two guys to go kill them. Might take a little while, but it's gonna happen. Alright, you know what? I'm making more fishing ships. Oh wait.
Hey, Shu, do this. Go to...
You've completed the castle. Sir William should be here soon, and then...
Click right there.
Oh, wait.
Click right there.
Hold on.
Do it. Look at the other people that are coming to help you.
Those are all. Should I build a dock over here?
No.
Those woad raiders.
Come.
Yeah. Wood raider.
Oh.
Tall.
Wait, are they under my command?
Yeah.
Sick, son.
No.
Matt,
Why?
I want to.
Hey, Brent's here.
One
Sam.
of your most
Don't frickin' pull
powerful
it.
units is created at the castle. Create 10 more Woad Raiders.
Is it playing through now because of your idiosyncrasy?
It's playing through.
God.
Population limit. I bet. What are these? I'm gonna build another castle.
Okay. Then you might be able to use the,
Oh yeah, next one.
Then you might be able to upgrade to the Imperial Age.
I hope.
Now try.
Nice. What is?
I think, click it again. There might be like post-Imperial Age. Here, do this. Hit that. Twice. Yeah, hit it twice. There you go.
William Wallace and his Woad Raiders on your side. The English may be in trouble. Once you have a large army with plenty of siege weapons,
Are you guys still in the same battle?
What is this? Transport
destroy
ship?
the English castle.
Are you guys still in that same battle?
Yeah.
Are those? Oh, I gotta set up a dock right there.
Those
Why?
are all fish.
Trebuchets are massive siege weapons with a great range, available only in the Imperial Age. Remember, the trebuchets must be packed to move and unpacked to fire.
How did I get for every video that becomes
The icon.
no. That becomes like the video I'll play.
Do you want it? That?
The latest video I post, I want it to be there. Like the first
Yes,
one.
I know what you mean.
What do I do?
Not now.
Tell me what to do.
No!
Why?
Shut up.
I hit this.
Yes.
Now what?
Channel design.
Where are these? Galleon. Alright, these need to be our fronts.
Good.
I still got a problem.
You have bad gas.
Yeah, every day.
It won't change yet. Your next video. Jesus Christ. You don't know anything.
What the hell was that for?
Because you're so impatient. Build houses. Build some more houses.
Gotta build some trebuchet.
I think you need to build some houses.
Fine.
Falkirk,
Build a house. Right now. Max will kill you. He's gonna kill you. I need some more. Alright, well they've almost mined all that out, so I'm gonna go away and kill that guy. That's a lot of food. Cause I need food. Wait, what's the cheat for food?
We don't need it anymore.
How do we... Oh, damn it.
Just go attack them.
Attack who?
The enemy?
That's not gonna work.
Why not?
What was I gonna do? I was gonna go build a dock, wasn't I? Yeah, I was gonna go build a dock. Right. There. And right. Like. There. And right. There. And right. There. Yeah, raw boyka. No.
Don't watch any videos.
Not.
Then what are you doing?
Build the docks. Get some food, you cool bags.
Alright, let's actually go attack them.
No, we gotta build up our army. Our army's not big enough.
We can't have any more people.
Well, how do we get more people?
Yeah, we can't really unless you want to kill things.